Hello friends, today we will see the coding for our projects, that is sensor based projects. So we will see the coding. This coding is common for all the projects like automatic street light project or museum anti-theft alarm, or we can say for moisture detection alarm. So for that, for practicing that coding, what you will need to do, you will just need to go to the Chrome browser and there you will type this website, this app.cretile.com, and after opening this website, this project window will get open. So what you will do, you will just give any good name to this project, like we will give robotics, and for our project name will be the sensor coding. Okay, so after that, whatever the code we are going to do, we will just do it that in this sketch block. So for the first step of our program, we will need the forever loop, like the repeat loop. So we will just add that over here. After that, we will need this true block, so we will just add it over here. So as we are using one sensor for our project, so we will make one variable for that. Here I will just name it as a sensor value. Okay, so after clicking on OK, you can see all these blocks over here. So we will just drag this first block, set sensor value to, and to our NetLogic board we will attach our sensor at port number 1. You can attach it to any other port also. We have 4 ports available, so according to that you need to number it. So after doing this, what we will do, so whatever the value will sensor will give, it will be in the range of 0 to 99. So first what we will do, we will check the value whether it is greater than 50 or less than 50, and according to that we can perform some actions. So for that we will need if and then loop, or we can say this if or do block. So we will just add it over here. After that, for the comparison of 2, we will just add it this another comparison block. Here in one block we will add this sensor value, and in another block we will just add value from the math blocks. So let's say we will assume threshold value like 50. So here we will keep it as a greater than. We will just duplicate this block. So for first we will keep it as greater, and for second we will keep it as a less than sign. Okay, so after that you can perform the certain actions. If our sensor value is above 50, then we will do some, then we will perform some coding, or if its value is below 50, then we will perform some another coding. So whatever coding we need to perform, we will just add it over here. So in the NetLogic, if we want to switch on the LED or the buzzer which is on the local port 0 or 1 on the NetLogic, so for that what we can do, we will just add this block, and again we will just duplicate it, and we will just keep it as it is. So if our sensor value is greater than 50, let's say we have the moisture sensor, so we are making the dry soil alarm. So for that, if our soil is dry, then our alarm will then our buzzer will get on. So for that, what we will need to do, if our soil is dry, then at that time our sensor's value will be less than 50. So for that, what we can do, for less than 50 we will make our buzzer on, and for greater than 50 we will keep our buzzer as off. Okay, so this is very simple program. According to your project you can just adjust the values over here. Thank you.